How to activate Discover credit card account online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in discover.com. At this pop-up, click on to activate credit card just below login. Now at this page you will see how would you like to proceed. You can also proceed by logging in or without logging in. For now, I'm going to click on to without logging in, and at this page you can enter your card number. Enter your expiration date and your sequence ID. Once done, enter your date of birth, your last 4 digits of SSN or ITIN number and click on continue. And just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to activate your Discover credit card account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe for more.